Yeah. It's the 78th Independence Day and we have National BJP's leader, Khushbu Sundar with us. Thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. The first question is, you have resigned from NCW. Any backstory to it?
No backstory to it. I felt I was too contrived in that position. I'm more of a politician. 14 years I have given to politics. So as a politician, I was not able to work for the party. I'm coming to Kamalayam after a year and a half since I assumed my position as NCW member. I was not even part of any of the celebration or protest or anything that happened in Kamalayam. So it feels good to be back because I want to work for the party. I'm a BJP Karyakarta first. I also have a back problem which everybody knows where I was not able to travel to Delhi very often. So for me to travel from one place to the other was very difficult, especially for in between 12 to 15 weeks. I was resting completely. I was not even moving out of Chennai. I was not even going to the office. I was literally at home for 12 weeks without any movement. But I thought you need somebody who is totally involved with the good work of NCW. Like I have other two members there, my fellow members, Mamta as well as Delina. The way those two women are working, they're doing a brilliant job. And I think somebody who's totally committed to NCW, who does not have any political affiliation, who does not have any political ambitions, should be part of NCW because it's a job which requires a lot of mental strength. It requires a lot of, your complete devotion to that position, which unfortunately I was not able to give. And personally, I thought that I was wasting that position.
Well, your entry into full-fledged politics, just the way you said, and State President Annamalai going on a 3 months education tour. So there are rumors that possibly that you might become an acting president of BJP state.
No, I think Annamalai is absolutely around, even if he's going for this training for a few weeks. I'm sure he'll be able to. Today is in digital world. It's very easy for him to conduct the party. And I'm sure that when he comes back, he will come more charged and more learned. So, and we have still a year and a half or almost 2 years for 2026. So I'm sure his learning will help us in working for the party's betterment in the upcoming election.
Your role as acting president, the rumors?
Absolute rumors. Absolute rumors.
And after full-fledged politics, how are you going to prepare for the Tamil Nadu elections? We have 1.5 years further, and Annamalai already said that preparations have already done. So what kind of role are you going to play?
That Annamalai will have to decide as to what position I'll be playing. The party leaders in Delhi will have to decide because I'm a National Executive Committee member. So they have to decide nationally as to what role I'll be playing. For me, being NCW member restricted me from being even going on any television debates. I mean, you know very well, I was not part of any television debates for a year and a half because you cannot take that position as NCW member. The bylaws say that. So I think I'm happy that I'm back to square one. When I say the full-fledged politician, I'm happy that I'll be back on television. I'll be back speaking for the party. I'll be back defending my party, and I'll be taking people up front when I'm debating.
Right now, the issue that the country is actually facing is what happened in Kolkata. You have been a previous NCW member. What's your view on it?
I think what happened in Kolkata was very, very appalling, horrific. As a woman, it breaks you. The worst is the TMC government, Mamta Banerjee government, refused to acknowledge it till they were able to destroy the evidence, till the police were able to, till the CBI was able to take over the control of the case. Mamta Banerjee has failed as a woman, as a chief minister. And I would say that Mamta Banerjee should resign. If even 1% or 0.1% of shame, or as a woman on humanitarian grounds, if you have anything left in you, I think you should resign because it's a big failure of Mamta Banerjee. She must resign, which I know that she will not, because for her, power and position is the most important thing. What happens in the country, what happens in the state is not important to her. Her position and that power is important to her. I mean, you look at Rahul Gandhi. He snoozes in the parliament. And then he wakes up after 5 days after what happens in Kolkata, and then he does not even name TMC. He does not even name Mamta Banerjee. But he speaks about the Kolkata incident in a very, eluding manner, and where people are supposed to understand what he's saying. I think all of them, all the women leaders across the party who by and large are screaming and shouting at the top of the roofs all the time, I think they need to speak up, whether it is TMC leaders, whether it is DMK leaders, whether it is Congress leaders, or whether it is NCP leaders, or whether it is any leader for that matter. I think women need to come together. It has happened to a woman. It has happened to somebody, the daughter of this nation. I think we all need to stand up and speak. It's nothing to do politically. You cannot take political stance on this, but I think you should stand up and say that I'm going to speak to a woman who's subjected to this kind of torture.
Another important aspect is that now we are back in Tamil Nadu and preparations are there for BJP to go for 26 elections. But there also seems to be new players over here. One could be Seeman, but the other one is actor Vijay. So you having good relations with him. So what do you predict about TVK?
I am not here to predict anything, but all I would like to say, Vijay is more like my younger brother. He calls me Didi, so all I would say is good luck, all the best to you. I hope he does whatever he does with 100% dedication, and I'm sure he will.
Thank you so much. That was Kushbu Sundar for VD Devraj, Pramod Madhav, Point District.